Hi guys, Sandra here, welcome to my channel. I have in front of me a piece of embroidery, a backing material. Now I cannot stress enough how useful this stuff is. It's designed originally to go behind embroidery to stabilise the fabric so that you don't end up with a really heavy embroidery design on a fabric that can't cope with it. But it has so many craft uses for backgrounds and things. It's just wonderful stuff. You can make flowers out of it to put on your cards. You can use it for the backgrounds. You can use it instead of vellum and things to give a semi-transparent look to your card fronts. All sorts of lovely things. But I thought I would show you today something that you can do with children that they will enjoy doing and you can make use of. So it doesn't get much better than that, really, does it? So I've got this piece here. It's just a rough square of the backing material. Now I've got some alcohol markers, but if you're doing this with very young children, I would suggest that you do it with normal washable markers, and you don't do it with these. Do it with normal washable markers, and I'll explain the difference a bit later on. So, you know, it's a case of have some fun scribbling colours onto your surface, and you can do whatever you like, wherever you like. Just want to put colours on. So, you know, whatever colours you choose, your favourite colours, bright colours. You can do thin lines, thick lines. You can do shapes and dots and whatever you want to do. And let's choose a different colour here. Now I know this looks absolutely useless at the moment, but it won't when it's finished, I promise. And some yellow, I think. But I mean, if you've got toddlers around, they can do this. They can literally scribble on it. It really doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm gonna do. No, I'm not. That's dried out. Okay, so I have my miscellaneous marks over this. Now, in my case, I'm actually going to cover this, saturate it with alcohol, rubbing alcohol. But if you're doing this with children, what you want to do is use, as I said, normal water-soluble felt tips and water. Now I do suggest that when you do this you wear latex gloves. I'm of course not going to bother, am I? No, of course not. Right, and you sprinkle it on as if you're putting vinegar on your chips. And you take it and you wipe it around your surface. Now either do this on a glass squirt top saver, which is what I'm using, or you can put down some kind of plastic tablecloth, whatever you like, and you screw it up. And you're thinking to yourself, my God, what is she doing? But when you actually unfold it, you end up with a randomized colour design that isn't solid lines anymore, because the alcohol or the water, whichever you're using, has obviously merged everything together. Now I would stress, if you're going to be doing this with alcohol, do it in a room where you've got the windows open, or do it outside. Otherwise you'll get as high as a kite on the fumes. So there we go, there's one piece done. And all you need to do is to flatten it out or put it out on the line to dry, whatever you want to do. Wait till it's dry. If you want it completely flat, you can iron it. But sometimes you actually want this semi-distressed look, and that can be very pretty. So when you've done that, you can cut it up to do what you want to with it. It cuts beautifully with electronic cutters. Obviously, you know, if you want to make it into flowers and things, all you need is a design for that. But it will actually look very pretty when it's dry, look very pretty if you just cut it into the front panels that you need for your cards. It's just really handy rather than having to buy lots of different coloured papers. Obviously you can theme this colour-wise any way you wish. And you know the really good part? There's no cleaning up to do afterwards because the alcohol's cleaned your work surface as well. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye bye.